Hey everybody, welcome back to Craft and Made Easy. This is a quick tutorial on how to make resin magnets. Alright, so for this project, all you'll need is some vinyl, magnets, resin dots, either some scissors or a Cricut maker. Or not a Cricut maker, I shouldn't say a Cricut maker, a cutting tool. So you can have a silhouette, a Cricut maker, or a regular Cricut Air 1, Air 2, and so forth. I'm gonna try this cutter. This is a 1-inch circle cutter. I'm gonna see if it will actually cut the magnet sheets. I did not try it prior, but I'm gonna see if it does it now. I'm just trying to find my pack that's open. So those are the things that you'll need. All right, so the resin dots, I got this off of, I think, Amazon, and it was $300 in the pack, and it was for like $8. You can also purchase them off eBay, Wish, other sites like that for cheaper, but I purchased these from Amazon a while ago. This is some vinyl that I cut out on my Cricut maker. I cut them into 1-inch circles. The resin dots are 1 inch. So I cut the vinyl to be 1-inch circles, and I just cut different ones. This is shimmer. This is holographic. This is more hollow. This is pattern vinyl, and then some 1-inch magnet circles. So they came in a full magnet sheet. So it's a full magnet sheet, and then I just used my Cricut maker to cut the circles out on 1-inch circles. You can use your regular scissors to cut it out if you do not have a Cricut, not a Cricut machine, a cutting machine. It may be kind of difficult if you're not a good cutter, but you can always try. And then I have this hole puncher right here. I don't think it's strong enough to cut, but we're gonna see. Let's see. Yep. So you can use a 1-inch hole puncher to cut out your magnets. So you just kind of go across the magnet sheet, and I got this from Walmart. It was 2 in the pack, and I believe they were $1.96 or $3.96. I'm not 100% sure. I will have the link down in the description box, but they do sell this in the store. So like I said, you can just, again, if you do not have a cutting machine, you can use scissors or a hole puncher. This is a 1-inch hole puncher, and you can always just take some vinyl and then just punch regular circles in there. I just wanted to, you know, get it cut really easily and fast, so I used my Cricut machine. Right now, I'm just kind of peeling back, weeding it. And this is an easy weed. It's just circles. So you just kind of pull it and you're done, basically. Yeah. So that's that. And as you saw, this is not that thick. It's not really thick at all. I think it's less than 5 milliliters. So, not milliliters, millimeters. So you can use a regular 1-inch hole punch to cut the magnets out on your, so it kind of, everything is 1 inch, so it'll kind of line up easily. All right, so the first thing you'll do is you'll take a resin dot right here, and you want to kind of just hold it on the side. You don't want to touch the underside. If you do, you'll get your fingerprint on there, and then the fingerprint will be on your image. You'll just take the resin dot and you'll just stick it on your circle. So I'll just kind of line it up. Just want to line it up. See, I just stuck my finger on there, so now I can't really use that one. So you want to just do it real easy, like, because you don't want to mess up. See, I did one prior, and I did not mess it up. And then I get on this camera, and First thing I do, put my fingerprint on there. Alright, let's just do it that way. Alright, so that's it. So the picture is stuck on the resin dot. The resin dot has an adhesive backing. Since I'm kind of messed that one up. So it has a sticky backing right here. So once you stick your image or your vinyl, I'm just using just regular vinyl for the magnets, but you can put like a picture on there. You can do whatever you want. Once you stick it on there, it's kind of stuck to the resin dot. So like that. So that is good. And then you'll use the magnet sheet, because the magnet sheet is adhesive. You'll peel the white part off, and then this part is sticky, and then you'll just, and everything is pretty much sticky because the vinyl is sticky, the magnet is sticky, so you shouldn't have any issues sticking it on there on the back of the dot. And there you go, a magnet. So that's not magnet. I don't think anything in my lab is metal, so I can't really test it out right now. But there you go. There is your magnet. No, I don't have anything. That's wild. I just realized it. Oh, there we go. Okay, so tweezers, there is a magnet. So there we go. So under 5 minutes, you can put together a magnet. So I'll just do it one more time with the shimmer. And this one is so pretty because it looks like it's different colors. Oh, you know what? Let me cut it. It's easier to kind of cut one out versus what I was trying to do the first time. So I'm just going to cut a circle out, and then it may be easier just to kind of lay it down. So let's see. And you can touch the top of the resin dot because you won't get your fingerprints on it, but the bottom you don't want to do because then you'll see the fingerprint through it. All right, let's see if they'll do it, because this is shimmery. So it may or may not stick. I'm going to let that sit on there for a minute. Let's try the halo. And this is a good project for if you have kids at home during this whole quarantine. This is something like a quick, easy project. It's under $5. If you are an adamant crafter, I'm sure you have some magnets around, some vinyl. If you don't want the resin dot on it, you can just kind of stick your vinyl on the magnet sheet and make a magnet like that. So I'm just kind of letting those rest, especially that shimmer, so it can get stuck on the dot, because it doesn't look like is adhering very well. Okay, there we go. I had to give it a little push. It didn't look like it wanted to stick, but it's on there. It's not coming off. So look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. All right, and then again, you just peel off the adhesive part, because you don't want to put it on the magnet side. I mean, it would stick to the vinyl, but then this side would be sticky, and that would be just messy. So you don't want to do that. And you'll just stick your magnet on the dot in your vinyl. And there you go. All right, and these are good for whiteboards, of course your refrigerator. If you sell stuff and you want to give like your customers like a little extra something in their package, you can put a magnet in there. You can put your logo on there. Anything, like if you wanted to put your logo on there, you can put your logo on there, and then they will have something with your card and everything to stick on their refrigerator so they can remember you and purchase more stuff. So there you go. All right, and let me just do these two real quick. Oh my goodness. See, I say it real quick and then it doesn't want to move quickly. And the Cricut machine, it cut it it had to keep going back for extra cuts and stuff. I mean, it cut all at, you know, I didn't have to recut it or anything like that, but the machine itself was just still like going around it a couple times. So it kind of made the edges jagged. Like it has some, I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of rough around the edges. So I think with the hole puncher, it'll be a little bit easier on the magnets. It won't be as raggedy. But it kind of just falls off once you go around it a couple times, but it's just annoying. I gotta kind of scrape it with my finger. All right. Maybe more room on this side. Just put it on the back. All right, there we go. Look at that. Look how pretty they are. So cool. All right, if you that's it. I mean, it's like 1, 2, 3 easy steps. Just kind of applying the vinyl to the resin dot, and then the resin dot to the magnet, and trying not to touch the underside of the resin dot, otherwise you'll have fingerprints. But that is it, everyone. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified for when I drop new videos. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.